Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instaccount app. So the purpose of making Instaccount app was to provide self-employed contractors and small businesses a very easy way to do their bookkeeping. So here's I'm going to open the app. So here's the dashboard. It's a very simple dashboard you can see with 4 options. So the first one is enter expense. So if you have any expenses, if you just did any expense, like you bought anything for your business and you want to record that, you just take the receipt and record it. The other is enter income. So if you build out something to your customers and you would just take a snap of that invoice or bill that you give to the customer and just enter it in the income. Check stats is for checking out your stats, like checking out the profit for a period or earnings or expenses or the balances. So I'm gonna go and enter an expense. So today I went to a gas station and bought some gas. So I'm just gonna record that expense. So I go to the expense, enter expense, and I have to select the method. So there are 2 methods. One is take a picture and the second one is do it manually. So in take a picture, I would just take a nice picture of the receipt that I got from the gas station and save it. That's it. I don't have to do anything else, right? Do it manually. If I think that receipt won't help, I'm just gonna put the numbers, type the numbers in and then save it, right? So I'm gonna go ahead with the first option, which is take a picture. So this would switch on my app and here's the receipt, right? I'm just gonna make sure that all the information is captured in the receipt and it's readable. That's it. So here we go. I just took the picture. I can take multiple pictures if I want, but I think one is enough. Hit continue. And the second thing is tag this expense. So what it means is that if you know what kind of expense this is, you're gonna tag it from this list. Like it could be gas, repair, maintenance, supplies, insurance, whatever. Or if you're not sure, select not sure. So in this case, I know it's gas and fuel. So I'm select gas and fuel. Date of expense, you just wanna select the date of this expense. So if it is today, I would select today. This receipt is actually yesterday, so I'm gonna select yesterday, or you could select custom date as well. So I'm gonna select yesterday and save. That's it. That's all I need to do. The rest of the thing will be taken care of by the bookkeeper in the background. So they're gonna take the information and update the bookkeeping for me. I just have to make sure that I take a nice picture. So it might take a while because the pictures are usually heavy to upload. So it depends on the data connection that I have. So you can see the confirmation that expense receipt for gas fuel has reached your accountant. So your accountant will review and update accounts soon. So that's what they're gonna do, right? And once they post this ad, I would get a notification. As you can see in the top, I have already got the notification. And I'm gonna go to my notifications. You see the first notification, transaction processed, expense gas fuel for 21.46 has been posted. So, and I can get that over here as well in my alerts, right? And then what if I wanna see, just to make it interesting, I'm gonna go to check stats and see, okay, today, what is my profit? Let's say profit, or let's say expenses. What is the expenses for today? Get stats. So the report that comes up shows that expenses for 64.36, and the details is that I just entered one expense, which is for gas, which was 64.36, and the tax that I paid, sales tax, is 0.93. So let's make it more interesting. I really love using the stats. So I'm gonna check out the profit for, let's say, last 3 months. I don't know if enough data is there, but at least something. Okay, so this you can see the date range 5th of December 2019 to 4th of March 2020, right? Income in the summary, I see income $414, expense $253, and the net income, which is my profit, is 160.661. In the details, it then gives me the breakdown of the income, which is 414.30, and the expense. So expenses were gas, others, meals, entertainment, insurance, and supplies. All those add up to the amount of 253.69. And then the interesting thing is that I also get the input and output sales tax. So the input, so the output sales tax is 23.66 cents, and the tax that I paid on expenses is 10.12. So the net tax that I have to pay to the government is 13.54. So that's it. So as you can see, this was as easy as it. As easy, it was like you just have to take a nice picture of the expense and just send it, and then that's it, nothing else. The rest will be taken care in the background, and you will be updated once your accounts are updated, and you can go and look at those that information in the stats. And then at the year end, or whenever you're gonna do your taxes, you're just gonna export an Excel from the web portal, sign in onto the web portal and export an Excel, and that Excel would have all the categories and their relevant numbers, and your bookkeeping is done. You just take that Excel sheet, spreadsheet, to the accountant, and they're gonna file your tax. So it's that easy. I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later, and I hope we have a fancy video very soon. Take care. Bye.